Okay, multiplying polynomials. I know that a lot of you have done this before, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time here, but I want to show you a couple of different things. Starting off with an easy problem. There's two different methods. There's FOIL and there is the box method. If you want to do FOIL, obviously distribute out first, outer, inner, last. So x times x, x squared. X times 4, 4x, negative 3 times x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times 4, negative 12. Then you need to combine like terms. We've talked about what like terms are, so then we just get x squared plus 1x minus 12. You do not have to put the 1, it can just be x. If you want to do box method with this, then x, negative 3, x and 4. It doesn't matter where it goes, just make sure you keep the sign. So that was a minus 3, so it needs to be a negative 3 down here. It was a positive 4, so it needs to be a 4 there. X times x is x squared. X times 4, 4x. X times negative 3 is negative 3x, and then negative 3 times 4, negative 12. Combine like terms again, which are right there. X squared plus 1x minus 12. So we've all multiplied binomial by times binomial. Not too much trickier if we go a little bit larger scale. So let's say x plus 5 times x squared minus 2x plus 3. Okay, so binomial times trinomial. Again, you can use the box if you would like. I'm going to show you how to set up the box. If you're not using the box and you're doing FOIL, make sure you distribute to all 3 terms. Okay? Make sure you distribute to all 3 terms. So x times x, x cubed, x times negative 2x, negative 2x squared, x times 3, 3x, 5 times x squared, 5x squared, 5 times negative 2x, negative 10x, 5 times 3, 15. Combine like terms. X cubed stays by itself. Remember that the highest exponent needs to go first. Negative 2x squared, 5x squared is 3x squared. 3x, negative 10x, negative 7x, and then just plus 15. If you want to set up the box with this problem, I'm not going to multiply out the box, but your box is now going to be a 2 by 3. Okay? It doesn't matter if it's 2 columns or 2 rows. It doesn't matter how you set this up. X and 5, x squared, negative 2x, and 3. And then just multiply it out. X cubed, negative 2x squared, 3x, 5x squared, negative 10x, and then 15. Okay? Combine like terms and you're done. For those of you that have organizational issues, this is probably definitely the best way of doing a problem like this. If you get into something x squared, so let's just say it's 2x minus 1 squared, well, you know that that means, hey, this is 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. Okay, FOIL it out like you normally would. But if we have something that's like x plus 1 cubed, that's a little bit different. That's x plus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 1, okay? With this scenario, what you need to do is multiply them 2 at a time. So take these 2 and multiply them together. So FOILing things out, x squared plus 1x plus 1x plus 1. So I get x squared plus 2x plus 1. And then you still have this one left over. Okay, so throw that thing back in parentheses, and then I have an x plus 1 left over. Now, you do the distributive property again. Each thing. If you want to do box, that's fine. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times 1 is 1x squared. 2x and x make 2x squared. 2x and 1 make 2x. 1 and 1x. So 1x, 1 and 1 is 1. Combine like terms. X cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so that's FOILing out something that is cubed. Just make sure that you use parentheses. If you like the box method, organize it, go box method. If you like the distributive property, the FOIL method, please make sure you FOIL each term. So this is 3 terms times 2 terms, so that should end up with 6 total terms. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3 terms, 1, 2 terms, so 3 times 2 6 total terms. It should work out that way every single time. Combine like terms, and then you're down to a little bit of a simpler problem.